Hello everyone, in this video, I will guide you through the steps on how to claim Worldcoin correctly to your vault. First, open the World app on your phone and wait for it to fully load. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds. Once the app is loaded, you will see the main screen with different options and icons. Here, look for the Worldcoin option. It is usually displayed on the main dashboard of the app. Tap on the Worldcoin icon to continue. After tapping on it, the app will take you to the claiming section. Here you will be asked where you want to claim your Worldcoin. You will usually see two choices. One is to claim to the vault and the other is to claim to the spending balance. This step is very important because your choice determines where your Worldcoin will be stored. Make sure that you select the vault option. The vault is the secure place where your Worldcoin will be saved for future use. If you accidentally select the spending option, the Worldcoin will be sent there and not to your vault. This is a common mistake, so double check before confirming. That is all you need to do to claim Worldcoin correctly to your vault. Thanks for watching.